101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. Yay! Okay, as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. sharp, we have a special discussion with one of English community in Makassar, namely BPEC, and our discussion namely Smart Up Your Life with BPEC. And of course, as usually, I'm not alone here. We have friends from BPEC, of course. Hi guys. Yeah, congratulations because today this is our first time to visit in our second home, and you know, guys, did you know this is the newest studio for Smart FM 101.1 Smart FM Makassar. Okay, we get close. And yeah, guys, as I mentioned just now that they are come from BPEC and me too. Okay, BPEC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Once again, BPC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Giving applause. Oh my god. Okay, nice. And okay, speechless actually because this is the news studio for our second home in Smart FM. Wow. The orange, green. Oh my god, it's very fresh. Okay, anyway, as I mentioned just now that they are from BPEC, and of course, smart viewers and listeners at home, of course, want to know who you are, right? Okay, one by one. Maybe start from you. Please introduce yourself to smart viewers and listeners at home. Okay, come on.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Amalia, but you can call me Leah.
No,
Uh,
Amal,
uh,
Amalia.
you can do both. Leah and
Okay,
Amal.
Leah.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank
hi
you.
Leah.
Hi.
Okay, okay, what about you?
Hello everyone, also smart listener at home. My name is Herlina Nur. You can call me Lina, and now I'm studying in UIN Alauddin Makassar University,
Mm-hmm.
majoring English and Literature Department.
Okay, what committee in BBC?
Education.
Education 2023.
Yes.
Wow, you are very fresh news. Okay, welcome home. Welcome in our second home.
Yes, thank
Okay,
you.
Leah and
Lina.
Lina. Okay, double L. Okay, next, our queen. Okay.
It's that's too much. Hello, I'm Dewi.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm proudly said I'm a full-time mother. That's it.
Wow.
I'm a mother of two beautiful daughters. That's it.
I'm wondering where did you get your English because you are a full-time mother.
Maybe,
Uh-huh.
is it not because of my sexy voice for today?
Probably, probably, probably. Any else?
No, nothing.
Okay,
You know.
Dewi. Hi,
Yeah.
Dewi. Welcome home.
Yeah, welcome home
Oh,
after 1 year.
wow.
I'm so missing Smart FM and BPC.
And me too.
Yeah,
You're missing me.
absolutely.
Okay, next.
Hello everyone and Smart
Hi.
FM. My name is Ahmad Daryandi. You can call me Rian.
Mm-hmm.
I finished my study in Satria University,
Mm-hmm.
English literature. Thank you.
Wow, Rian.
Yes.
Okay, next. Hi, my name is. No, kidding. Okay, next. You.
Hello everyone, my name is Wahyu Perdana. You can call me Wahyu. I employ in one of company in Makassar.
Are you Kalamullah? Wahyu? No, kidding, kidding. Sorry, guys. Okay, Wahyu, yeah. Leah, Lina, Dewi, Brian, and Wahyu. Okay, guys. Yeah. Because this is our first time visit here, and of course, because this is the newest studio for Smart FM, and of course, of course, us, and we have, as I usually every Tuesday, week by week, we have a special, we have a different, totally different topic for discussion, and talk about our topic for this evening. As a human being, actually, a lot of indicator that we can learn about the characteristic of human being. But in the world, one of science, namely Carl Jung, divided into two big lines about our personality. Yeah, they are introvert and extrovert, or extrovert and introvert. Yeah. Okay, that's why our discussion for this evening is extrovert and introvert. Okay, we give applause first. Okay, this is a very interesting. Okay, let me start from you, Ahi. Okay, how do you think about our special topic for this evening?
Well, this stuff is interest for me because you know what, the stuff is introvert and extrovert,
Mm-hmm.
like personality, right?
Mm-hmm.
Personality like for people, and then characteristic for human
Mm-hmm.
of the world, like
Mhm.
environmental,
Mm-hmm.
like create introvert and extrovert,
Mm-hmm.
and then
When you first time to hear these terms, when you first time hear in your life.
this is my life in first time like introvert.
I know. I mean, when you hear for the first time, maybe since you senior high school or recently, or since you elementary school or senior high school, you hear these terms.
Yeah.
Ya, in bahasa, kapan pertama kali mendengarkan bahasa ini, istilah ini?
Okay.
Ya, something like that.
Okay, this is first time is like introvert is
Mhm.
like senior high school.
Oh, senior high school.
Yeah.
How many years ago?
Maybe it's 10 years ago.
Wow, it's so long.
Yeah.
Okay, good, good. So, how can you define both them between introvert and extrovert?
I define the extrovert and introvert like for
In your personal opinion, on your mind, what is actually introvert? When we how to say separate these words, in it means that ke dalam, something like that.
Yeah.
But ex it means that keluar in bahasa. So how can you give your perspective or explanation about both them, introvert and extrovert?
Is my introvert is my explosion like introvert like personality like this first time introvert like this one this first time join as a community for example it's me I mean have characteristic introvert
Yeah,
like
yeah.
like me
Mm-hmm.
hello
Hi.
and
No,
you know
like
what
that.
you know what I respond is
Uh-huh.
only that
Ah,
introvert
okay.
because you know I cannot
You means
speak.
like keep silent?
Maybe
Mm-hmm.
maybe
What about extrovert?
like extrovert like this my brother
Uh-huh.
is first time in join in a community.
Mm.
Hi, it's me like this is Rizka.
Ah, okay.
Rizka, and then
Okay.
and the response, oh hey Rizka, how are you today? This is
You
extrovert.
means interactive
Yeah,
people,
yeah,
interactive people.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, keep your statement. We will be continue after this. Okay, what about you? Hi. Hi, Miss Leah. Yeah.
Hello.
Okay, how do you think about this topic for this evening?
Um, it's an interesting topic for me
Mm.
because I really like to guess someone's personality when
Mhm.
I meet them at the first time.
Yeah.
And I also really enjoy to learn about humans' behavior. So
Mhm.
I have like a YouTube channel, my favorite YouTube
Oh,
channel that
really?
discuss about psychology.
Could you mention?
1%?
Oh,
I really
yeah.
like
I
that.
following also.
Yeah.
I've subscribed.
Yeah,
Already.
It's related to someone's
Mhm,
behavior.
mhm.
So yeah, I am quite excited for this topic tonight.
Okay. When you first time, when you was first time to hear these terms,
Maybe at my first year of college.
how many years?
Um, 5 years ago.
5 years ago. Okay, a half from our brother. So how can you define about them between introvert and extrovert?
Okay, so I think extroverts tend to be more outgoing,
Mm-hmm.
talkative,
Mm-hmm.
and they like being around people. They
Mhm.
like to socialize.
Okay.
Yeah, they speak too much. I think.
They speak too
Yeah.
much.
Yeah.
Okay, interactive, right?
Yeah.
Extrovert
Extrovert.
is interactive and
Talkative.
talkative,
Yeah.
and introvert is silent people,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. So which one you are?
I'm actually an extrovert
Oh,
person.
really?
Yeah, but
Okay.
I think introvert person tend to be more, calm,
Mhm.
and they like quiet environment,
Mhm.
and they also easily get drained of
Okay.
social interaction.
Uh-huh.
So they have like recharge,
Energy.
yeah, recharge energy, like
Yeah.
social battery, so
Mhm.
that they can use the batteries again
Mhm.
tomorrow to the
Mhm.
activity
Mhm.
outside. So yeah, but actually I think that we don't have to like be, you know divided divide extrovert and introvert as a black and white
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
category,
Mhm.
because you cannot say that, oh, I'm 100% extrovert,
Yeah,
or I'm
I agree.
100% introvert, because
Mhm.
it's like mixed of the
Mhm.
traits.
Yeah.
You have extrovert traits, and
Like
also the
you have
introvert.
combination.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
combination.
even though you are half dominate,
Yeah.
maybe from the other side like extrovert
Yeah.
dominate or introvert dominate,
Yeah.
but the most important that consists of two actually
Yeah.
combination,
Yeah,
right?
right.
Okay.
It's not like 100%
Yeah,
E or I.
totally agree.
So it's not black and white terms. It's maybe more like a spectrum. Yeah.
Okay, spectrum. Yeah,
Yeah.
like hologram.
Yeah.
Or copy susu maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Lina. Nice statement. Okay, what?
Leah
Leah,
though.
sorry. Okay, okay. What about you, Lina? Double L, Lina, Leah. Okay, okay. Continue. How do you think about our topic this evening?
I think this topic is really interesting
Mhm.
because in our daily life we meet many people,
Yeah.
and of course they're all not the same. There
Mhm.
is an introvert and extrovert people, and we can feel them, and we can consider that they are introvert or they are extrovert when we interact with them.
Mhm.
So uh, I really want to discuss this topic here because
Mm.
I have to know what you guys think about this topic.
You're wondering, right?
Yes.
You're very curious about this. Okay, actually, did you know that even though this theory consists of two words, but still, this theory still have how to say pieces inside. Like when we talk about introvert consists of two, and extrovert consists of two. Like introvert consists of melancholies and phlegmatics, and extrovert consists of sanguines and cholerics. Right? Did you know that?
Actually, this is the first time I heard
Oh
about that.
really? Oh
Yeah.
really? Okay, I keep my statement. Okay,
Yes.
next. Thank you, Lina. Okay. Anyway, how do you think about our nice
For
topic?
sure.
Yeah.
I'm so excited actually because today you told me about
Mhm.
the characteristic that is so unique,
Yeah.
and I have a very special experience
Mhm.
that I could see every day and every single house.
Mhm.
That is totally to my doctor,
Mhm.
because my two doctors are very contradictive characteristic. Yeah, my first daughter
Mhm.
is Jasmine, and the second is Irish. And Jasmine is a very totally introvert, but
Oh,
Irish is totally extrovert.
really?
So that's why I'm learning about
Mhm. Mhm. Mhm.
the real human being
Mhm.
by
Mhm.
seeing my doctor
Mhm.
every single hours and every second.
Mhm. Mhm.
And it's totally unique. And sometimes I wondering to myself that
Mhm.
it's a miracle because God give me
Mhm.
um
Complementary.
yes, mandatory and
Mhm.
complementary
Mhm.
in my life that is so totally different, but they could be mixing each
Mhm.
other. They can complete completely each other because they are sibling. So
Mhm.
that's why I'm still speechless like today. uh there will be some accident, small accident, or
Mhm.
small misunderstanding
Mhm.
between them, but then I could define that,
Mhm.
yeah, this is the real human being.
How
Yeah.
can you face or treatment them? as a child. Even they have contradictive characteristic, like each other is very very significant different, like extrovert and introvert. How can you give your treatment?
Of course, I always pressure to Jasmine because
Mm-hmm.
she's an old and they are in a 4 years gap,
Okay.
and Jasmine
Okay.
older 4 years than to Irish. But then I always remind Jasmine that not because I'm more caring or more loving to Irish,
Mm-hmm.
but because she is an extrovert person. So that's why moms, I mean me, I have to be more extra looking forward to what is Irish action every single hours, because I think Irish is typical of sanguine. Yeah, I could learn about that because she's so active and she's easy to react something. Like
Mm-hmm.
I just give a clue, one words, then she could understand.
Mm. Did you know the synonym of sanguines?
Uh,
Popular.
yes, popular.
Popular. So the typical of people as sanguines, they are very popular.
Yes,
Believe me.
yes,
Okay.
she's easy, and
Mhm.
and I totally couldn't. Sometimes I
Mhm.
wondering that who Irish taking
Mhm.
this characteristic, because I don't blame myself also as an extrovert.
Mm.
Maybe I could probably, let's say I'm in the middle, like ambivert, or something like that,
Mm,
because
mm,
I know that, like you told us
mhm,
before, that
mhm,
there are only two types
mhm,
character
mhm,
that is proven,
mhm,
that yeah, it's exactly. But then I realized that Irish is a special one, because
mm,
when I or her father says
mhm,
something, that she's easy to understand, so only
mm,
in a few seconds.
mm.
Okay.
Fast learner.
Yes, fast learner.
Okay, keep your statement. This is a
Okay.
very interesting because you share, how to say, realistic case.
Yes.
Yeah, because it's your daily in
Daily
your home.
activity.
Of
That's why
course,
I
of
always say that
course.
I'm a proud mother.
Not that come from here, but here,
Yeah.
right?
Absolutely.
Okay, Rian, what about
Okay,
you? How are you?
fine as usual.
Absolutely. How
Yeah,
do you think about our second home in the new studio here?
yeah. I think this studio, uh, we have a new studio that
Mm-hmm.
is very colorful.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, and
Like my life.
yeah, like my life. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Uh,
So okay. Back to laptop. No.
okay. No, back to DP.
Back to topic. How do you think about our topic for this evening?
Okay, I think that this topic is interesting because
Mm-hmm.
everyone know that uh, this is the characteristic,
Mm-hmm.
personal characteristic of them,
Mm-hmm.
like introvert and extrovert.
Mm-hmm.
So we can talk about this.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, like we have to talk about this because we have to know. We have to
Mm-hmm.
know what is introvert, what is extrovert.
In your personal opinion, what is actually introvert and extrovert?
I think, in my opinion,
Yeah.
introvert is uh, the person that always being alone.
Mm.
Yeah, I think uh, how to say, rarely to come out
Mm-hmm.
in
Mm-hmm. Socializing.
yeah, in socialize,
Mm-hmm.
in social, and uh
What about
is
extrovert?
yeah, extrovert is like uh our sister
It's
say.
the opposite.
Yeah, it's the opposite. The extrovert is more attractive,
Mm-hmm.
talkative,
Mm-hmm.
and
Like magician, more attractive.
yeah.
Salto salto. Kayang kayang. No.
Yeah, no. Yeah, yeah, extrovert uh is how to say, gampang berbaur,
Mm.
easy to,
Adaptable.
yeah, adaptable,
Mm-hmm.
adaptable, and
Talkative.
talkative,
Mm-hmm.
and how to say, tidak gampang sakit hati.
Oh really?
Yes.
Oh, you are knowledgeable about it.
Yes.
Okay. When
That's
you
my opinion. That's my opinion.
okay, when you first time to hear these terms? in your life?
My first time hear about this term, maybe 6 years ago.
Oh, 6 years ago.
Since I was a collegian.
When you still slim.
Huh?
Because I'm not slim anymore right
Yes,
now. Yeah,
yes.
you know.
Maybe I'm dreaming.
Okay, thank you, Rian. Okay, Wahyu, back to Wahyu again. Okay, which one you are? Extrovert or introvert?
I'm introvert.
Introvert.
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
How can you detect yourself that you are
Because
introvert?
yeah, because you know what? It's first thing like first join new community.
Mm-hmm.
I mean is I like say hello is for me. I cannot to
Like
say
like a
them.
song?
Yeah.
Like a song?
Yeah.
Hello, like that?
No, 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 no,
Oh,
no,
like,
no, no,
okay,
no.
okay. Continue, continue.
No, like this first time is like
Mhm.
I cannot call them because I this my motivate. You cannot, you cannot.
I like your style when you say, I.
Yeah,
Mm.
like like
Uh-huh.
this motivasi,
Okay,
this
okay,
motivation.
okay. So, did you know that actually the characteristic, because this theories was found of Carl Jung from Sweden. Yeah, Swiss. Is it correct? Sweden? Switzerland. Yeah, Switzerland. Sorry. Okay, Switzerland, not seputar wilayah suku Minasa. Yeah, Swiss.
It's
But
different, right?
yeah, different, totally different. That's a broad country. That's a broad. Okay, Switzerland. Yeah, was found since 1920. Yeah, 20. Uh, uh, he is divided into two big lines, that extrovert and introvert. But actually, in the others expert like scientists, but I cannot remember who is he or she. That actually still exists another characteristic. So there are three: ambivert. Yeah, ambivert is the bridging. It's like between extrovert and introvert. When you can combine both them, even they really not absolutely balanced like 50-50, but if you have two combination and you can maximizing them, so you are ambivert. Yeah. Have you ever meet people that they have combination like extrovert and extrovert, that we call ambivert?
Like computer is a combination between
Yeah, combination.
introvert
Combination.
and extrovert,
Mhm,
right?
mhm.
No, I think it's
You
ambivert.
never.
No.
You never.
Uh,
But how do you think about this theory? The people who sometimes silent, the people who say, sometimes like they are very active, sometimes they are silent, sometimes they are very socializing, sometimes they need to recharge themselves to be alone in, how to say, room, yeah, in bedroom, and sometimes they are perfectionist, sometimes they are not perfect, sometimes they, yeah, that's why we call ambivert, because between them, how do you think about the people who have the indicator like that?
I think this ambivert like
Mhm.
like the first time you join committee like office,
Mhm, mhm,
office, she or he must
mhm,
learn situation
mhm, mhm,
like your boss or your fellow worker.
mhm.
You must learn your characteristic.
Okay.
Your boss, the people you like the boss, the characteristic like she or he is like professionist.
Mhm,
So
mhm,
you first meet up with
mhm.
boss. You're like must perfectionist, right?
Okay, yeah.
And your fellow worker, this is your so easy, so enjoy. You must your
The significant different from of them, like introvert is perfectionist,
yeah,
but extrovert not.
yeah.
No, that is significant different actually. But even sometimes extrovert also have a element of perfectionist sometimes. But if you talk about introvert is absolutely they are very perfectionist. That's why sometimes perfectionist they can sometimes not totally perfectionist, something like that. But anyway, guys, because this is a very interesting, and of course, the smart viewers and smart listeners at home still very curious and